In this video I will show you how can you see your time on Facebook. That's mean how much time you have spent in Facebook. You can see if I click here, I will can find, you can see here Saturday, Sunday, Monday I didn't use Facebook, but in Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, if I tap here, Thursday I only use 8 minutes and Friday I use 36 minutes. I have to tap here and I will can see that. So in this video I will show the process how can you actually see how much time you have spent in your Facebook, like weekly. If you want to if you want to get weekly update how much you are spending every day, and if you want to see when you are actually using at the daytime or at the night time, you can see from here. So in this video I will show the process. So for seeing how much time you actually spend on Facebook, you have to simply come here on the Facebook, and after come here on the Facebook you have to simply click here three dot or profile, a three dot profile, and then you have to scroll down a little bit and then you have to click here settings and privacy. After clicking here settings and privacy, you have to simply click here settings. After clicking here settings, you have to scroll down a little bit and then you can see here your time on Facebook. You have to simply click here. After clicking here you will can see here see time. You have to simply click here see time, and then you will can see here how much actually you have spent. And if you want to get weekly update, then you can enable the option, and then if you scroll, then you will can see here how much actually you are using averagely daytime and night time. So this is the process for seeing how much actually you are spending time on the Facebook. This is weekly update. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.